6 months ago, I was on a Henley study trip to New York, and now I'm here in South Africa with Henley again.
We've come to South Africa. We're working on some living projects here with NGOs.
Coming from a New York context with entrepreneurship and very fast pace and every possibility open, then traveling with Henley to South Africa in a totally different context. NGOs really have struggles. They have limited resources.
So we're here to put our reputation and responsibility module into practice, to work with them on a reputational issue that they are dealing with.
I think it makes a lot of sense to work cross-culturally. I think irrelevant whether you come from South Africa or Asia or Northern Europe, there's always things to learn. And I think one of the key aspects when you work, you get to reflect on yourself and you get to see your blind spots.
The Henley project has done a lot of amazing stuff for us. Firstly, when we did the first reputational analysis, they allowed us to understand where the organization is. And because of their reputational analysis, they gave us the know-how as well as the expertise, where we are now growing our organization into Neurospectrum. What Neurospectrum is a growth of Autism Western Cape, where we cater for all disabilities.
Going to a school in a township was an unbelievably eye-opening experience for me. And it also filled me with admiration for the NGOs that we are working with, because they are working in extraordinarily difficult circumstances, but they take it day by day. If they can help one child overcome something one day, then they're doing a great job.
We can create a trusted environment where NGOs and MBA students and alumni can come together and connect and work on important social issues.